SB19 may announcement sa kanila nga pong Facebook page 39 minutes ago. Mula sa Metro Bank, 18 mag-ingay, it's time for the ultimate finale and an exciting new start. Be there for SB19's wakas at simula. Use your Metro Bank MasterCard to get your ticks. Set your reminders now for the one-day ticket pre-sale happening on February 26, 2026, 10 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. Make sure to check out the pre-sale guide for a smooth ticketing experience. Promo is valid to or for Metrobank MasterCard, credit, and debit card holders. Metrobank is the official bank partner of SB19 Wakas at Simula, the Trilogy Concert Finale, happening on April 18, 2026 at SMDC Festival Grounds. Terms and conditions apply. Promo is on February 26, 2026 only per DTI Fair Trade Permit Number FTEB 2498788 series of 2026. No Metrobank credit card yet. Apply now. So sa mga gusto pong maka-avail, pwede na po kayong mag-apply ngayon na Feb 23 para po maka-avail kayo ng mas maaga ng ticket sa nasabi nga pong concert ng SB19 ang wakas at simula. Sa mga nais pong mauna, kailangan nyo po ng Metrobank credit card. Mali nyo po, agad kayong maaprubahan, di ba? And darito po yung guidelines, paano po kayo bibili ng ticket. How do I buy tickets during the pre-sale? So makikita nyo po dito na i-visit nyo po yung https://smtickets.com and then magla-login kayo or sign up. Search for SB19 Wakas at Simula, the Trilogy Concert Finale. 4. Choose your seats and proceed to check out. 5. Click Proceed to Payment and input your Metrobank MasterCard details. Ito naman po yung prices ng mga tickets. Sa SVIP seated, 12,800. Sa VIP seated, 10,300. Sa Gold standing, 6,250. Silver standing, 3,000. And Bronze standing, 1,500. So, syempre, doon sa mas mahal, sila yung talagang makikita ang SB19 at may chance na makapagpa-photo sa kanila. At yan na po sa mga nag-aabang ng ticket. Unahan na po. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.